Aries, this is Char with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly podcast for the month of June 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use this butterfly oracle deck. Besides, we also have the angel therapy cards. With respect to your love life, I have this card, the love oracle deck, which has been created by me. The link is in the description box, so in case you want to make a purchase, then you can do just that. I'll keep them aside for now. Aries, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Towards the final days of May, stepping into June 2021, we have the Ace of Cups. Possibly in this period, you were being called upon to focus on your relationships or you had to keep ego aside. Maybe there were ego issues or differences with family members. Maybe there was also financial matters which was creating disagreements amongst loved ones. Maybe your schedule was also disrupted in these final days. Maybe you were under pressure and overworked. Incidentally, with respect to your love life, possibly many Aries, you were being hotly pursued by the opposite sex. Obstacles to overcome. This month we have this Eight of Swords. I think you feel as though everything is caving in. You're being surrounded by swords here. Like this lady here, possibly you will be under pressure, and this energy which you are carrying forward of being overworked is there in this month as well. Maybe you should make those concessions at work. I think many of you will want to exert yourself and complete what you set out to do. Aries, you would benefit if you do some aura cleansing. Maybe your health could also be affected this month on account of the pressure or on account of the tension. Knives are also being sharpened behind your back, so you should be mindful of that. Incidentally, this June there could also be periods when you could be socializing. Maybe you will enjoy good food, but then like I said, you should keep a check on your health as well. Maybe you could suffer from indigestion or stomach issues. This month, home improvement is also on the cards for many of you. Influences for this month, we have the Queen of Pentacles. Surely you will make those gains, but then there will be times when you will feel as though you have been let down. I think this is also the time to bring out the gentle side of your personality. Maybe you are being called upon to be kindly disposed towards others. This month, Aries, you may also find someone trying to renew contact with you, and this could also make you a bit nostalgic. Ideally, I think you should also assert yourself rather than allow people to walk all over you. I think some problems could also arise on account of technical issues. Maybe your gadgets could malfunction this month. That is why you could be stressed out. The first 10 days of the month, we have the Ten of Wands energy. Again, this tension is something which is the overriding factor this month for Aries. I think you need to lessen your burdens. Maybe you should seek help from the opposite sex or maybe from your acquaintances, and they could come to your aid or rescue you. Maybe you want to forge ahead, but then you will find yourself being forced to surrender or to yield to what your loved ones want. Maybe you think that they don't agree to your vision or your desires. They may think that your ideas are impractical. You should realize, Aries, that everything is cyclic. I think you're also somebody who feels as though you're the lone warrior because you're battling the odds all by yourself. Many Aries, you'll also desire financial stability this month. Some of you may also find yourself going back to the place where you started your professional life. Maybe you could travel back to that city as you realize that that is the best way forward for you. Job offers may also come your way in this first 10 days, but then maybe it may not be to your liking. I think the work pressure is something that you have to handle this month. Even if you take this offer, that is something you should be prepared for. Those of you who are also working, I think you could be so stressed out that you may want to put in your papers. Maybe your colleague or your superior is always nitpicking. This is why you could be a bit low on confidence as well. Basically, the oppressive environment is something that you have to handle rather than give in to what everybody else wants from you. The next 10 days, that is towards 11 to 20th June, we have the Three of Pentacles. Again, this is the time when you need to collaborate with other people. There will be some minor gains in this time. Also, Aries, I think you should hone your skills, or you should polish your skills. Like this lady here, she is busy with a creative venture. So many of you could also be dipping your hands in creative ventures. Interestingly, in these days, you could also be the sounding board for others. Maybe your loved ones are going to seek your advice or your good counsel. I think you're also somebody who's going to play the peacemaker. Maybe you will tell them to resolve issues that are there. At times, Aries, you could also be a bit disturbed on account of the bias that you're facing, whether at home or on the work front. Nevertheless, praise is also coming your way on account of the research that you do. Maybe your findings are spot on, or your client feedback would also come your way, which could be very pleasing to your ears. Aries, you may find yourself being blamed for a mistake while working on a project, so it would be best to review your assignment. Incidentally, I think you could deny your fault, but in hindsight, you will realize that it's your fault or that you have erred. Those of you who are at the helm of affairs, I think you'll be praised for being an encouraging boss. I think achievements of your juniors will reflect very well on your department. Still, there are those workers who are quite unproductive, and you will give them a piece of your mind. In case you want the management to pay attention to your demands, or in case as a senior worker who is creating roadblocks on the path, then you may find that the management could ignore your complaints. So this means that the status quo is maintained. Towards 21st to 30th June for Aries, we have the Chariot card, and we did clarify Chariot, and we had another major arcana which says your justice. Possibly in this time you could be quite temperamental. I think you will also be somebody who will assist other people. You are going to get the support needed to assist others, that is. Karma is also at play in these final days. Basically, Aries, in these times, you need the support of others to overcome the challenges that are there. You should also be sensitive to the needs of your father or somebody who's a male figure, possibly your superior as well. Your schedule in these days could also be in a mess. Maybe staff is not around, so that is why you have to step in and take responsibility. Incidentally, in this time, you could also get your due, so you should ask for the same. While working, there could be some delays or there could be some friction that you need to handle. Maybe many of you may not want to communicate with others, or you don't want to promote yourself. Social networking is not something which you are interested in these days. Nonetheless, in these days, there will also be clarity with an issue that is bothering you. Maybe you will get further information at a later date. Excess work is also on the cards for many Aries in this time. You have to find time and prioritize. Maybe some other work could come up and these tasks take precedent. I think somebody could also want to arm twist you. Maybe you will clarify issues with your superior. In case you're going for a job interview or Aries, I think you should be quite prudent while answering those questions. Maybe you should make those allowances rather than come across as somebody who's quite brusque. Maybe there'll also be inquiries for your services, but then there could be no confirmation. With respect to your love life, I have the card forgiveness heals, revenge doesn't. Possibly Aries, there may have been some misunderstanding which you are dealing with, or maybe there have been issues with respect to your love life. So you're being called upon to forgive and forget. Maybe you're also being revengeful, or you have revenge on your mind because you have that fiery energy in you. But then Spirit is asking you to heal or mend the ties that are there rather than carry on residual karma into your next life. Incidentally, single Aries, you will be the center of attention this month. Maybe the opposite sex is quite smitten, and even married members of the opposite sex could be showing an interest in you. But you will also move away from such connections because you don't want to give anybody the wrong signals. There could also be marriage proposals. Maybe there's ambiguity or it's not clearly spelled out. I think some of you may also show an interest in a prospective match on a dating site or on a matrimonial site, but then these are early days. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you'll continue to cyberstalk this person. I think you will stumble upon new details on the social media. Primarily Aries, I think you'll be enamored by this person's looks. It's quite possible that you could be having those imaginary conversations with yourself. Maybe you're imagining that you are dating this person, but this is bliss for you. Oftentimes, you also feel that there's a telepathic connection between the two of you. Romancing Aries, I think there could be opposition to your love life this month. Possibly somebody could want to talk about your secret romance with your family elders, and this could leave you quite perturbed, even visibly miffed. Perhaps you should forgive this person. Nevertheless, I think your lover and you are somebody who's going to discuss work. Possibly your person could also want you to read books. Maybe he wants you to get better or to perk up at work, but you could be disinterested. I think this person wants you to understand him better, so that is why he's asking you to read those books that he reads. There will also be those times when he could overwhelm you with certain words or phrases. Maybe you also want a definite answer with respect to your connection. Maybe you want to know where this relationship is heading. Married Aries, I think you need to be polite when it comes to your in laws. Maybe your spouse health could also be a factor which could affect your relationship this month. Ideally, I think Aries, those of you who are married, need to be patient with your spouse. Maybe you could find your spouse complaining over silly issues. Maybe there could be issues about the food. Incidentally, your spouse is also somebody who could assist you at work because we have the pentacle energy right here. So that is why I'm picking up that maybe this person or your spouses or your marital partner could assist you at work. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think infidelity or suspicions or domestic violence could also be an issue here. Maybe your partner is quite suspicious. These are issues that you have to counter this month, Aries. Incidentally, from the angel therapy cards, we have the card integrity. We did have suspicion in your relationship, or there was the issue of a toxic relationship or domestic violence here. That is why you're somebody who wants to be regarded as someone who's quite principled. You don't want your partner to suspect. This is why this card, integrity, coming up in the reading seems to corroborate that. I think you're being called upon to align your actions so that they match your values and your inner knowingness of what's right for you. Ideally, I think you should follow the right path and not compromise on your principles. Besides, Aries, if we do compromise and we may not feel good from within, in this month, your angels are going to help you heal any situation or relationship which is not in alignment with your inner values or with your principles and morals. To wrap up this reading, we have the card moving from the Butterfly Oracle deck. Possibly many of you could have moved to a new place or destination. Maybe you're also traveling this month. Surely this is going to affect every part of your life. It's like clearing away the old energy and starting afresh. But this change can also be very disruptive. I think Aries, you're also being called upon to focus on self-care because we did have healing right here. Maybe you should meditate as well to heal your relationships. Some of you also being called upon to socialize a bit more. Maybe you need to broaden your horizon. So there's also self-care involved here, which could help you elevate your soul or to move to a higher plane. Another thing, Aries, like I said earlier in this reading, you should guard against black energy. So some aura cleansing could do you a world of good this month. I hope, Aries, you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. So have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.